In the previous class, I have given the introduction of pair of linear equation in two variable, as well as एक example लेके I have solved it and shown it that how you will given word problem, if there is a given word problem, how you will show it mathematically, represent it mathematically as well as graphically. So next we will go for exercise. In this video, I will solve exercise 3.1. Okay, what I will do in this video? Exercise 3.1. Okay, all the question I will solve. Also the two examples before 3.1, that is example number 2 and example number 3. I will also solve example number 2 and example number 3. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's go for question number 1 of exercise 3.1. Okay, let me write question number 1. I have written the question. What is the question? The question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay. Next is also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Okay, two situations are given. First, read the question carefully. Okay, two situations are given. Now, you have to represent this situation graphically as well as mathematically. You have to form the equation. So let's do it. Okay, let's understand the wording of the question. पहले समझते हैं कि क्या बोल रहा है. Okay, now see. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. 7 years ago यानी कि 7 years before. दैट इज सोल्यूशन अगर हम यहाँ पे बनाएंगे, पहले समझ लेते हैं क्वेश्चन को. क्या बोल रहे हैं? एगो मतलब क्या होगा? बिफोर, है ना? 7 years before. What he is telling his daughter that 7 years before I was 7 times. मैं क्या हूं? 7 times as old as you were then. तब तुम जितनी भी एज की होगी, मैं उसका 7 गुना था. ठीक है. नाउ ऑल्सो 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ, और अभी से अगर 3 साल के बाद देखा जाए, है ना, फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं हम. ऑल्सो 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ आई शैल बी 3 टाइम एज ओल्ड एज यू विल बी. मैं तुम्हारे क्या हो जाऊंगा? तुम्हारे एज के 3 गुना हो जाऊंगा. आई विल बी 3 टाइम्स. सो यू हैव टू राइट द मैथमेटिकल. दो सिचुएशन दिया हुआ है, आप मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन इसका लिखते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स राइट इट वन बाय वन. ओके, let me erase the question. Okay, so that you will better you will get the view. Question is already in the book. Question number 1 of exercise 3.1. 3.1 question number 1. Okay, so what Aftab tells? Aftab कौन है? Aftab is the father. Okay, उसने अपनी daughter, we will, हमारे क्या है? Let we will, what we will assume that let the present age of Aftab be X and the present age of daughter be Y. Okay, what we will assume? Let present age of Aftab is X and present age of daughter is Y. So 7 years ago, आफ्ताब का एज कितना होगा? 7 साल पहले कितना होगा? x माइनस 7. अगर उसका प्रेजेंट एज x है तो 7 साल पहले कितना होगा? x माइनस 7 होगा. और डॉटर का अगर प्रेजेंट एज y है तो 7 साल पहले कितना होगा? y माइनस 7. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट सिचुएशन? फर्स्ट सिचुएशन क्या था हमारा? आफ्ताब क्या बोल रहे कि 7 years ago I was 7 times. मैं तुम्हारे 7 गुना था. तो x माइनस 7 क्या है? व्हाट इज द? 7 साल पहले किसका एज था? आफ्ताब का एज था. ओके, सो 7 years ago x माइनस 7, he was 7 times the age of his daughter. Okay, 7 into y minus 7 is the first equation. From the first situation we got the first equation, not the second situation. Second situation में वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? 3 years from now, अभी प्रेजेंट एज से अगर हम 3 years आगे जाएंगे तो 3 years from now I will be 3 times your age. So this is the first equation. Okay, so second equation, I will erase this. Present age is x of Aftab, of daughter is y. Now what will be 3 years from now? After 3 years, after 3 years, आफ्ताब क्या हो जाएगा x plus 3 and daughter will be y plus 3. Okay, now what आफ्ताब told his daughter that he will be 3 times her age, y plus 3. Okay, so from the two situation we have found the two equation. So these are the two equation we are looking for. Okay, so this is, आप इसको simplify कर लीजिए. 7 को ब्रैकेट खोल के 7 को अंदर ले जाइए, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट खोल के 3 को अंदर ले जाइए, क्या होगा हम लिख लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ आई एम इरेजिंग दिस. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. So equation number 2 we can simplify and write. Equation number 1 we can simplify, that is x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. It can be further simplified and can be written as x, 7y इस तरफ ले आते हैं तो minus 7y and this will be minus 49 and plus 7. So minus 49 plus 7 will be minus 42. So it will be minus 42. Okay, if we will further simplify it, it will be minus, LHS में ले आएंगे तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा और उस तरफ जीरो लिख देते हैं. ठीक है, ये प्लस हो जाएगा और इस तरफ जीरो हो जाएगा. You can simplify. So this is the first equation. Now simplify the second equation. Equation number 2. Equation number 2, that is x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Okay, I have opened the bracket. So now I can erase this. X minus 3y and this is plus 9. If we will take it to LHS, it will be minus 6 plus 3 minus 9, so it will be minus 6 is equal to 0. So you should simplify by yourself. Okay, so this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So we have mathematically represented the situation or the real time problem. Now let represent it graphically. represent करते, दो equation मिल गया हमको. How we will represent? We will get the coordinates. हम इसका निकालेंगे x and y का. Okay, जैसे निकाला था पहले एग्जाम्पल्स में, तो इसको हम लिख लेते हैं. ठीक है, इसको पहले हम लिख लेते हैं एक जगह पे साइड में. First equation is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Okay, and second equation is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. तो हमको ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है, कार्टेशियन पॉइंट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो इसका हम पहले कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है, कोऑर्डिनेट्स x एंड y. पहले हम किसका निकाल रहे हैं? इक्वेशन नंबर 1 का. ओके, दिस इज फॉर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Let put x is equal to 0 here. So when x is equal to, we will put 0. X is equal to 0 in equation number 1. When we will put x is equal to 0, it will be 7y is equal to minus 42. So y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. First coordinate we got, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Now we will go for the second coordinate. निकालते हैं. Okay, this is equation number 1, second coordinate. Let put x is equal to, suppose I will put x is equal to 0. If I will put x is equal to 0, so see x will be equal to minus 42. Okay, if this will be 0, then x will be equal to minus 42, which will be very difficult to show in a graph. Okay, because one coordinate what we got 0 and 6, एक तो हमारा क्या आ गया 0 and 6 और दूसरा क्या आ जाएगा 0 and 42, तो आपको ग्राफ में उसको रिप्रेजेंट करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो लेट्स थिंक ऑफ some other coordinate. Okay, so if we will take y is equal to, if we will take y is equal to suppose 7. Okay, then what will be x minus 7 into 7 is 49 plus 42 is equal to 0. So x here we will get 7. Okay, this is minus 49 plus 42 will be minus 7. इस तरफ ले गए तो प्लस 7, तो x कितना आ गया 7, y कितना था 7. तो x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 7 is another coordinate. तो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें दो ही कोऑर्डिनेट एनफ होता है. ठीक है, तो these are the two coordinates by which we can draw the straight line for the equation number 1. Now let's go for the equation number 2. equation number 2 का करते हैं अब. x and y. ओके, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में हम पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करते हैं. तो y क्या हो जाएगा -3y माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. इस इक्वेशन में मैंने क्या किया x इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट कर दिया. ओके, सो -3y इज इक्वल टू +6. so this will be y is equal to -2. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to -2. x is equal to 0, y is equal to -2. Okay. Now let put y is equal to 0. Okay. y is equal to 0 put करते हैं यहाँ पे. Put y is equal to 0. तो x will be, x यहाँ पे 0 हो गया तो x -6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. So one of the coordinate is y is 0 and x is y is 0. Sorry, y is 0 and x is equal to 6. So we got the two coordinate of both the equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay, now we will show it graphically as I have already shown one of the example. Now again let me write the coordinate here. I'm doing it step by step so that you can get it. I'm writing it here. X, Y, 0, 6, 7 and 7 for the first equation. For the second equation it will be x, y, 0, -2 and 6 and 0. Okay, now represent this graphically in a Cartesian plane. We will draw the Cartesian plane. I will draw the Cartesian plane. This is x, this side x dash, this is y, this side is y dash. Okay, now mark it. -2 is there in the second equation, so this side also I will mark. This is -2, this is 1, this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, y is 7 in the first, so I have written it up to 7. Now see, for the first equation, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. This is 0. Okay, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. So this is the first coordinate. This is 0 and 6. I am representing the coordinate by 0 and 6. Second is 7, 7. 7 and 7. Let's draw the dot. This is the second coordinate. Okay, this is the first coordinate, this is the second coordinate. We can draw the straight line. Draw it from scale. You can extend it in both the direction. Okay. So this is for the first equation. Now for the second equation, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So this is the first point. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. So this is the second point. Now we will draw the straight line. Okay. Then we will extend it and both the sides. So this is the graphical representation of the two equations. Now question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Let's proceed. Now see what is question number 2. I have already written. The question is the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. So the coach has bought 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls for the same kind for rupees 1300. Okay, now you have to represent this situation algebraically and as well as geometrically. Okay, graphically you can say. So now see, let's understand the question. Question is a cricket team, a coach of a cricket team. Suppose this is a coach of a cricket team. What he does, he buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. For rupees 3900. Okay. Later on, she buys another bat. Later on, okay. After some time, she again buy another bat. That is 1 bat and 3 more balls. Okay, 3 more balls. And this she bought it for rupees 1300. Rupees 1300. Now these are the two situations which you have to show it algebraically and geometrically. Let me represent the question pictorically. मैं represent करती हूँ by a picture. There was a coach. Okay, he bought 2 things. He bought bat and ball. He bought 3 bat and 6 ball initially. Okay, for rupees 3900. And then later on, he again bought 1 bat and 3 ball for rupees 1300. Okay, so this was the question. These are the two situations. Okay, 1 and 2. You have to form the equation from this. Okay, now what we will do? We will assume that let the cost of the bat be x and cost of the ball be y. What we are assuming? Cost of the bat is x and cost of ball is y. Okay, now 3 into x. How many bat he bought? That is 3 bat. So 3 into x plus 6 into y is equal to total is 3900. Okay, 3 into x, 6 into y will form total rupees 3900. Now second equation, 1 into x plus 3 into y, total cost is 1300. Okay, so this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we have formed the two equation. Okay, now we will go for the graphically how you will represent it. आप कैसे इसको graphically represent करेंगे? So let's proceed. X plus 3y. Now you have to draw it in a graph. So what we do? हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल लेते हैं एक्स वाई के, एक्स एंड वाई के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालेंगे। ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 सबसे पहले हम क्या लेंगे, इक्वेशन नंबर 1, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2। ओके, आई एम डूइंग फॉर इक्वेशन नंबर 1 का यहाँ पे मैं कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल रही हूँ। ओके, सो इफ यू विल put value of x is equal to 0, so what will be 6y? If x is equal to 0, then putting x is equal to 0 in equation 1, okay, in equation 1, then 6y, x को 0 put कर दिए तो क्या बचा, 6y is equal to 3900. So what is y? Y is divided by 6, 3900 by 6, 2 times, that is 1300. Again it will be 650. Okay, so for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 650. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 650. Now if we will put it y is equal to 0, next we will put y is equal to 0, then x will be, if y is equal to 0 यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में, तो 3x will be 3900. So what is x? X will be 1300. If y we will put 0, then x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 1300. Okay, these are the two coordinates. Okay, clear? Now in the second equation, equation number 2. Now see equation number 2. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in equation number 2. So 3y is equal to 1300. Make xy plot, x and y. If x is equal to 0, we are taking x is equal to 0. Y is equal to, what will be y? Y is equal to 1300 by 3. Okay, this is y is equal to 1300 by 3. Rather than taking x is equal to 0, because it will come in point, so let's think of some other coordinate. Take x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100. Okay, we are not taking x is equal to 0, we are taking x is equal to 100. Let's calculate. Taking x is equal to 0 in equation number 2, 3y will be 1300 minus 100. ओके, आई एम डूइंग सो, मैं ऐसा इसलिए कर रही हूँ ताकि हमारे पॉइंट्स में ना आए, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि ग्राफ में जब भी हम प्लॉटिंग करते तो वो एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट हो, ताकि हमें सही से उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिखे, ठीक है। दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग x इज इक्वल टू 100. सो हियर इट विल बी, y विल बी 1200 by 3. Okay, so this will be 400. So if I am taking x is equal to 100, this is coming y is equal to 400. This is one of the coordinates. Okay, now put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. So when we will put y is equal to 0, it will give you, see here, if y is equal to 0, x is equal to simply 1300. X is equal to 1300. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 1300. So two coordinates we got. Now how you will plot this? This is important. Okay, how you are going to plot this? Now see, this much you are clear. I hope you are clear. So next we will plot it graphically. Let me erase. Let me write the 2 points here. X, y of the first equation. For equation number 1, 0, 650, 1300 and 0. This was the first. For the first equation, 2 coordinates. You can take any 2 coordinates. Okay. Second equation, I will write the coordinates of the second equation. This is x y 100, this is 400, here it is 1300, here it is 0. Now see, let me plot. I make Cartesian graph, okay, because there is no नेगेटिव वैल्यू, ओके, नेगेटिव वैल्यू नहीं है, इसलिए मैं पॉजिटिव साइड का लेंथ मैंने ज्यादा रखा है, नेगेटिव साइड का कम रखा है. ओके, नाउ सी, if you will take 1 2 3 1300 1400 तो नहीं बना सकते, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक डिवीजन को 100 लिखेंगे. ठीक है, या तो आप 200 लिख दीजिए क्योंकि मुझे 1300 तक जाना है. ठीक है, तो लेट मी राइट इट 200, फर्स्ट डिवीजन 200. यहां से यहां तक हम क्या लिखते थे, 1 लिख सकते हैं, अभी क्या लिख दिया मैंने, 200. ठीक है, फर्स्ट डिवीजन को. और यहाँ पे हम मेंशन भी कर देंगे 1 यूनिट ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस का 1 यूनिट क्या है, 200. लाइकवाइज अगर इधर भी अगर हम y का करेंगे तो वैसे ही लिख देंगे. ठीक है, दैट इज y एक्सिस 1 यूनिट इज 200. ग्राफ में आप 1 डिवीजन 1 यूनिट को हम क्या ले लेंगे कि 200 है, तो 200 400, दिस इज 600, देन 800, 1000, देन 1200, then 1300, sorry 1400, this is 1400, 200 200 का गैप ले रहे हैं ना, 1400. Similarly plotted, now see in y you can take 100 plot also, okay, because it goes up to 650 only. Let it to take it 200 only, 200 ही लेते हैं. ठीक है, 200 400 600 800 1000 एनफ है ना. y की वैल्यू 650 मैक्सिमम जा रही है, सो दिस इज एनफ. दिस इज x, दिस इज y, दिस इज x डैश, दिस इज y डैश. मेंशन इट. ओके, नाउ सी, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हम प्लॉट करते हैं. फॉर x इज इक्वल टू 0, y इज इक्वल टू 650. फॉर x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 0, y कितना है 650. सो ये क्या है, 200 का गैप है. ठीक है, तो 50 इसका 1/4 रख लो. अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है तो इस दोनों का मिड पॉइंट ये होगा. ठीक है, तो एक हो गया ये पॉइंट मेरा. नाउ सी, x इज इक्वल टू 1300, y इज इक्वल टू 0. फॉर y इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 1300. यहाँ पे 1200 और 1400 के बीच का पॉइंट. ठीक है, मिड पॉइंट. सो दिस इज, so we got 2 coordinates. Now we will draw the straight line. From the scale you draw the straight line. Okay, so this is extended both sides. So this is for the first equation. Now for the second equation. Now see, for the second equation, x is equal to 100, y is equal to 400. For x is equal to 100, 100 is midway between 0 to 200. This is your 100. For x is equal to 100, y is, sorry, x is equal to 100, y is 400. Y is 400. So the point comes here. Dotted line से हम इसको कर लेते हैं. So this is one of the point. Okay. Now see, for x is equal to 1300, for x is equal to 1300, this point, y is equal to 0. Okay, now see, 1300 and 0, 1300 0, so this is the common point. This is the common point. So you have to join these 2 points. Extend in both the directions. So this is the graphical representation we have represented. Now see this point, that is for x is equal to 1300 and y is equal to 0 is the solution. Is the solution because वो वहीं पे intersect कर रहा है. So thus question number 2 is done. Question number 2 is done. Next is question number 3. the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. Okay, now after a month the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grape is rupees 300. Okay, now I'm just describing the question. The cost of two thing is there. Okay, apple and grapes. ठीक है. One day someone maybe someone है ना, he bought 2 kg apple and grapes 1 kg. 1 kg. Okay, so 2 kg apple और 1 kg grapes. Cost कितना है इसका? Cost is rupees 160. Okay, the first statement. Now second statement. After a month, एक महीने के बाद, the cost of 4 kg apple and 2 kg of grape is 4 kg of apple, 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grape, 2 kg of grapes, 4 kg and 2 kg cost is rupees 300. Rupees 300. So this is the question. Now you have to represent it geometrically as well as graphically as well as algebraically or mathematically. Okay, so question I think is clear. That is initially 2 kg plus 1 kg cost is 160. 2 kg of apple plus 1 kg of grapes cost 160. Now after a month 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of 2 kg of grapes cost is rupees 300. Okay, now let's assume, यहाँ पे हम क्या assume करेंगे? Assumption क्या होगा हमारा? Let cost of 1 kg of apple be x. Okay, 1 kg of apple be x and cost of 1 kg of grapes be y. x हम क्या करेंगे? Cost of apple 1 kg का suppose x करेंगे और grapes of 1 kg suppose कि उसका cost होगा y. Okay, now we will form the equation. Let me erase the question. Upper part I am erasing. Question is clear. Question clear हो गया होगा यहाँ पे जो भी मैंने दिखाया है. Okay, so first equation, equation number 1 जो form होगा, 1 kg का cost है x, तो 2 kg का cost कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into x plus 1 into y, 1 kg and y, 1 kg cost is also y, so 2x plus y is equal to, so total cost of apple and total cost of grape is rupees 160. 160. So this is equation number 1. Now equation number 2. Equation number 2. Cost of 4 kg of apple. 1 kg cost is x, so 4 kg cost will be 4x. Similarly 1 kg cost is y, so 2 kg cost is 2y. So total cost is कितना लगा है? 300. So this is 300. So this is equation number 2. So we have represented it mathematically. हमने represent कर दिया. Now अब बारी आती है इसको graphically represent करने की. Okay. Equation number 2 you can simplify. This is 2 common ले लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2x plus y is equal to 150. You may not. Okay, just you plot it. Okay, you may also do it. You may not also do it. Let it, just leave it. Now you have to plot. So we will make xy plotting for equation number 2. xy का coordinate निकाल लेते for equation number 2. Okay, sorry, for equation number 1. For equation number 1. Equation number 1. x is equal to 0 पुट कर दो. x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 पुट करेंगे तो y is equal to क्या निकल जाएगा? यहाँ पे 0 पुट करेंगे तो y निकल जाएगा 160. फिर y is equal to 0 पुट कर देते हैं. y अगर 0 पुट कर देंगे तो x निकल जाएगा 80, x निकल जाएगा 80, है ना। यहाँ से आराम से आप देख सकते हैं, जब हम y को 0 पुट करेंगे तो 2x इज इक्वल टू 160, तो x इज इक्वल टू 80। ओके, 2x इज इक्वल टू 160, तो x इज इक्वल टू 80। क्लियर है? सो 2 पॉइंट्स मुझे निकल गए, x इज इक्वल टू 0, y इज इक्वल टू 160, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 80. So these are the, sorry, let me write it again. X, y, for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 160. For y is equal to 0, x is equal to 80. These are the two coordinates. Okay. Now for equation number 2, calculate for equation number 2. Equation number 2. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Put x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 कर देंगे तो 2y is equal to 300. 2y is equal to 300, तो y is equal to 150. y is equal to 150. You can calculate it. Now put y is equal to 0. y को 0 पुट कर देंगे तो x क्या आ जाएगा? x is equal to 300 by 4. 300 by 4. So this will give you 75. So x is equal to 75. Okay. So 2 coordinates जो इसका आ गया हमारा, यहाँ पे लिख लेते, यहाँ पे बना लेते हैं x and y. x is equal to 0, y is equal to 150, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 75. ओके, तो फिर हम अब इसको प्लॉट कर लेते। आई एम इरेजिंग दिस, आई होप दिस मच यू आर क्लियर। ओके, नाउ योर प्लॉट, निगेटिव में वैल्यूज नहीं है तो निगेटिव साइड हम कम प्लॉट ग्राफ बनाते हैं, है ना, जो इसका एक्सिस बनाते हैं। पॉजिटिव साइड का ज्यादा बनाते हैं, नेगेटिव साइड का कम बनाते हैं, ठीक है ना। दिस इज x, दिस इज x डैश, दिस इज y, दिस इज y डैश, दिस इज y डैश। नाउ सी, 1 यूनिट हम 20 का ले लेते हैं, है ना, ताकि आसानी से मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखा पाऊंगी। आप 10 भी ले लो, आपको 160 तक जाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम जो y की वैल्यू है 160 है। आई एम टेकिंग 20, y एक्सिस 1 यूनिट is 20 division, okay, is 20, and x axis also I am taking, यहाँ पे आप लिख दीजिए, मेंशन करना पड़ता है ये, ठीक है। 1 यूनिट also I am taking 20, 1 division represents 20, okay, so 20 0 से स्टार्ट होगा, this is 40, this is 60, this is 80, then 100, then 120, x की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम तो 0 ही है, यहाँ पे 0, 75, 80 तक जा रही है, तो 120 ठीक है, यहाँ तक चलेगा। नाउ y, आप y कर लीजिए उसी तरह से, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, ओके। x y की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 160 है, तो 160 तक मैंने लिख दिया, ठीक है। नाउ सी, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को कैलकुलेट करते हैं। दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 2। x is equal to 0, y is equal to 160. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 160. This is the first point. For y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80. So this is the second point. Okay, plot it. Scale से you plot it from scale. Okay, extend it both sides. So this we got for the equation number 1. Now equation number 2, for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 150. X is equal to 0, y is 150. 140 और 160 के बीच में मिड पॉइंट आ जाएगा 150. सो मिड पॉइंट में हमने डॉट डिनोट कर दिया. सो दिस इज 150. एक पॉइंट मेरा ये हो गया. दूसरा y is equal to 0. y is equal to 0 we have to take and x 75. x को 75 लेना है. सो 60 और 80 के बीच में कितने 20 डिवीजन है. ठीक है ना. यहां से यहां तक क्या है 20 है. तो मिड पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा 70 और 60. मिड पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा 70 और 60 और 70 का मिड पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा. हमको क्या करना है 75 निकालना है. ओके तो 70 मिड पॉइंट हो गया ये 70 और 80 का मिड पॉइंट क्या हो गया 75. So this is the point. Okay, this is the point. Let me draw it again. So it will be ये एक पॉइंट था और कहीं पे एक ये पॉइंट है. ठीक है ये एक पॉइंट है. Now you have to draw it from scale. Extend it both the side. So this is for equation number 1 and this is for equation number 2. This seems a parallel line. Okay, this means there will be no solution, as I have already explained that if you will get two parallel line then there will be no solution. However मुझे यहाँ पे solution नहीं निकालना है. I have to plot it graphically only. तो आप graph plot करके बस represent करके you have to leave it. Okay. So I have completed question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 3.1. ये वीडियो बहुत ही लेंदी हो जा रहा है. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 एंड एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 जो आपका 3.1 के पहले दिया हुआ है वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बनाऊंगी. ओके सो थैंक यू.